If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Office's IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Ayushman Bharat. This Ayushman Bharat has two components. This Ayushman Bharat program has two components, that is Health and Wellness Center and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. The two components under Ayushman Bharat, an umbrella scheme. That's two schemes under the Ayushman Bharat. Health and Wellness Center. See, in India we have this primary healthcare centers, we have the secondary healthcare centers, we have the tertiary healthcare centers. These primary healthcare centers are at village level. At village level, you have this primary healthcare center. The secondary and tertiary will be at the town and the main urban centers, district headquarters. You will find the other healthcare centers. Of the three, the primary healthcare center assumes so much of significance because it is the point where you can prevent the entry of the disease itself. So, villagers, when they feel some discomfort, sickness, the first point they will go is primary healthcare center. So if you have proper early diagnosis, you can prevent the spread of the disease only. For which the primary healthcare center should be equipped with a lot of facilities. But the existing primary healthcare centers, they are mandated largely to take care of the newborn, the pregnant mothers. They will be acting like clinics which will take care of certain specific issues like common cold, fever, or vaccination for the children, pregnant mothers, treatments, basic items. It will not take care of the rest of other areas. But however, this primary healthcare center should be equipped with more facilities, more infrastructure. Only then we can prevent the spread of diseases. So government, under the Ayushman Bharat program, they wanted to transform this primary healthcare center into Health and Wellness Center. They wanted to transform the primary healthcare center into Health and Wellness Center by equipping them with a lot of infrastructure, diagnostic equipments, with more specializations, with more departments to treat more non-communicable diseases. That is the idea of this Health and Wellness Center. And yoga classes will also be provided in this Health and Wellness Center. So the idea is go beyond the maternal and child health care. Come up with focus on non-communicable disease as well. Right? There should be oral, eye, ENT care, mental health. There should be first level care for emergencies, traumas. So the primary healthcare center should be transformed. It should be transformed from here to here. So under this program, government wanted to create 1,50,000 health and wellness centers to transform the existing primary health centers. This is one component of Ayushman Bharat. The next component is Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Abhiyan or Jan Arogya Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Abhiyan or Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. This is a health insurance. This is a health insurance scheme. Right? So how does health insurance scheme works? The beneficiary families will be selected using socio-economic caste census. Using socio-economic caste census, the beneficiary family will be selected. Right? As per the scheme, the bottom 40% of the population should be beneficiaries. This scheme aims to cover the bottom 40% of the population. At least 10 crore households easily will be getting benefited, and those 10 crore households will be selected using this socio-economic caste census. Each family will be given an insurance coverage of up to 5 lakh rupees. Up to 5 lakh rupees health insurance will be given. Right? This health insurance, you can use it on a family floater basis. Family floater basis. That means This 5 lakh rupees can be enjoyed, that insurance facility can be enjoyed by the entire family. Let's say a family has 4 individuals. Now this individual is sick, entire 5 lakh rupees that individual can make use of. Or 2 individuals are sick, this person is taking care of 4 lakhs, this person takes care of 1 lakh, completely fine. So this 5 lakhs is not for individual, this 5 lakh rupees is for the family. Ultimately up to 5 lakh rupees the family can use. Right? The insurance cost is completely taken care by the government. We saw in the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana in the previous class that the crop insurance premium should be shared by farmers and the government. But here the entire premium will be taken care by the government. Entire premium will be taken care by government. The aim of this Ayushman Bharat is actually to have a universal health coverage. That is the aim. Universal coverage is the aim. But however, as of now, we are targeting on the bottom 40. They are selected using socio-economic caste census. 5 lakh rupees of insurance coverage on a family floater basis. Cost will be taken care by government. Right? So from where you can get this health benefits? See, government hospitals, in private hospitals, you can avail this insurance. Sir, whether can you avail the insurance from all the private hospitals? No, only in the empaneled private hospitals. That means, let's say you have Apollo Hospital, you have Neot Hospital, and you have Guna Hospital. Assume that Apollo and Neot Hospital, they are okay with this Ayushman Bharat. Apollo and Neot, they are okay with the Ayushman Bharat. They have listed with the Ayushman Bharat. But Guna Hospital, he says, no, I will not provide these services. In that case, you cannot avail the benefit from Guna Hospital. You can avail the benefit from Apollo and Neot Hospital. Right? Now, central government will be coming up with a list of diseases. Central government will come with a list of diseases and what is the corresponding price for the treatment. That will also be given. For example, heart surgery, what is the price? A cataract surgery, what is the price? A kidney replacement, what is the price? Right? Some respiratory issue, what is the price? So, list of items and the corresponding price will be given by central government. Those empaneled hospitals, they are agreeing to provide that service for that price only. See, you go to Apollo, do heart surgery, it might be 2 lakh rupees, assume. But if Apollo Hospital, if they get empaneled with this program, then for heart surgery, assume 50,000 is the price fixed. But you go to Apollo, they will charge 2 lakhs in general. But if you go via Ayushman Bharat and if you are a beneficiary, Apollo Hospital will give the treatment for 50,000 only. Okay, so that is only for beneficiaries, remember, only for the beneficiaries of the scheme. If you are not a beneficiary, you go to Apollo, they will charge 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakhs. But if you go via Ayushman Bharat, they will charge the fixed price which central government has fixed. And option is given for the hospitals. The hospitals, if they are okay with this, they will become empaneled. If they are not okay, Guna Hospital, looking at everything, is not okay, so he did not enroll. So you can get the benefits from empaneled hospitals. Right? See, this Ayushman Bharat Health Insurance will provide pre-hospital and post-hospitalization expense also. 3 days before, let's say there's a surgery planned. Not just surgery cost will be covered. 3 days before, whatever cost involved. Post-surgery up to 15 days, whatever cost involved, Ayushman Bharat will cover. Not just that. Transportation cost, Ayushman Bharat will cover. Right? Now, central government has come up with a list. Central government, they have said 100 treatments can be covered under this program. But state governments, they can vertically expand the program. Now let us assume that Maharashtra government, they are trying to add some another 25 issues to be taken care. Central government says these 100 treatments will be coming under Ayushman Bharat, but Maharashtra government says no, we will add another 25 treatments. But for this additional 25 treatments, the the cost will be completely taken care by state government. Are you able to understand? Original Ayushman Bharat list, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, that health insurance list, what treatments will be covered under this insurance will be given by central government. But if the state government want to expand it vertically, they can. Additional cost, state government should take care. Similarly, see, look at the beneficiaries. The bottom 40%, the bottom 40% is what? The actual beneficiaries of this program. But if the state government wants, if Maharashtra government wants, bottom 40% nahi, they will increase it to bottom 50%, bottom 60%, additional 20% bottom population. If Maharashtra government wanted to add, they can add. But additional cost, the state government has to take care. Now to implement this program, we have National Health Authority. This authority is headed by Health Minister, and he will be supported by 11 members. He or she, Health Minister, he or she will be supported by 11 members. Right? So this is about the health insurance program. Please go through point by point. Every point has a prelims catch. It can be made into a question. So why it was in news? 5 crore hospital admissions. That's why it was in news. One more thing I would like to add with respect to Ayushman Bharat. Ayushman Bharat, that health insurance program is portable. Health insurance program is portable. It is portable in nature. That is, I am from Tamil Nadu. I go to Meghalaya for work. In Meghalaya, something is happening to me. I want to take treatment in Meghalaya hospital. I can take it. So this is portable. It's not that I am a Tamil Nadu resident. I should take this benefit only in Tamil Nadu. It is not like that. I hope the topic was useful. I will see you tomorrow with another interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.